Creator of all, we adore and praise you. Give us your wisdom that we may study well, obey our teachers and parents, and be honest in our behavior. Keep us in your loving care and help us to love and serve our brothers and sisters. Teach us to be good always and do good to others, and become a faithful citizens of our motherland. Good morning, respected teachers, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Zalak Joshi from 6B. Today's thought of the day is that we should not waste anything we get in our lives. First, words. We should use our words very carefully. First, we should think about them and then say them. Second, movements. We should not let go any moments or opportunities we get in our lives. Third, time. Time is one of the most important thing in our lives. Something that would not waste our time is a schedule. If we do not have a schedule, we will have a wastage of our time and a lot of mess. So, at last, we should use words, movements and time very carefully. Thank you.